Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today we're going to learn about self-monitoring. So what is self-monitoring? Self-monitoring is basically you taking a look at yourself, monitoring yourself, seeing if you can actually fix yourself. That's what self-monitoring is. Looking at where you're going and course correcting accordingly. So why do I look like this? Because I intentionally did this. I made myself look like a different dude with a different mustache, with a different beard flying all over the place. Honestly,
I feel really uncomfortable with a long beard, long mustache.
Head full of long hair. I really feel uncomfortable.
however, that's because I neglected to self-monitor my grooming. So that's grooming, self-monitoring on grooming, because I was so busy, because I was so packed with my schedule, being active on 5 platforms, Instagram, YouTube, being active everywhere. So I was swamped, totally swamped. I did not have time for anything. So I neglected my grooming. So that's why I don't look that presentable. I look like a caveman. Honestly, I would love to stop this. However, I would need a reason to go to the salon, get my beard trimmed, cut my hair really short, the way I like it. However, now since I'm doing my YouTube and that's my main focus right now, I would really appreciate it if one of you has mercy on me and leaves a comment saying, why are you looking like a caveman? And I can answer that with self-monitoring part 2 next week, and I'll connect that to calorie surplus as well. So now, looking at yourself in the mirror is monitoring yourself. Checking your weight regularly is self-monitoring. There's also financial self-monitoring, in the sense you take care of your finances your own way. You can just check your wallet, and if your wallet, you see if you have any money. Oh, there's no money. Oh, only 10 rupees. Only one 10 rupee note. So I monitored my wallet and I found only 10 rupees in my wallet. So what that means is that self-monitoring can be used for anything. So the same way, self-monitoring can and should be used for your nutrition and your weight loss. Weight loss progress also can be self-monitored. For example, I monitored my entire process from when I started in the form of document with Diamond. I'm putting everything in the form of a documentary. I'm monitoring everything, and also I have data to back up my fields. I have stats. I have the body stats page. You can find that in the description below if you want to check it later on. And check this out. This is what I saw today. I am down 16.7 kilograms, and that's in around 97 days, because I started on Feb 14th and this is until 21st May. And that's amazing. That's because of self-monitoring. Just check out that graph. That's amazing, isn't it? For coaching inquiries, you can call me on my cell phone, send me a text on WhatsApp, or you can also send me an email if that's what you prefer, and we'll take it ahead from there. And I'll also put these details down in the description below, so be sure to check it out. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, weight loss,
Tips.
And tricks.
on how to attain sustainable weight loss, and how to maintain that weight loss once you achieve your goal. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one.